Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps here, then you come to this list here, and here you looking for pay app here, and then here you click on search, then here add pay, then you click on it here. So then you come to this list here, just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then you come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then you search here for Pay Network, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.